Hi everyone, welcome to our online learning today. We are going to make a microwave mug pizza. Something really simple and easy you can make for yourself or an afternoon snack or a quick dinner, whatever. So what you need first is some sort of mug. I got this mug, it's a big latte mug, but even like a small mug will work, a bowl. It can even be, as long as it's microwavable, you're fine. So what we're gonna do first is measure our ingredients, which I already have done for the most part, you can see. And I have 4 tablespoons of flour, and you can use any kind of flour. For my case, I have gluten-free flour, but you can use what you have at home. And then we have baking, this is 4 tablespoons, by the way, 4 tablespoons of flour. And then we have baking powder and baking soda. So for baking powder, which is just 1/8 of a teaspoon, which is a very small amount. So if you just took a pinch, that would be enough. And baking powder, baking soda, excuse me, they're confusing, right? Baking soda is going to be even smaller amount. So you're going to do just a little bit of baking soda. And then we also going to add in just a pinch of salt. So we will put our flour, 4 tablespoons of flour, and our baking powder, baking soda, and salt in this mixture, in this cup. And then we'll just mix that up. There we go. Now we can need some wet ingredients to our flour to make our crust for our pizza. We're gonna do 3 tablespoons of milk, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, or you can probably use any kind of oil that you have at home, or even melted butter. And then we're gonna mix those together to get kind of like a dough. And it's okay if it's lumpy and not perfect. So this is a pretty big cup for my crust. Let's get show in there. That's what it looks like. Now we're gonna add toppings. Now this is completely customizable. You can do whatever you want, whatever you like on pizza. We're gonna start with adding like a marinara sauce or even tomato sauce. I just have this can of tomato sauce, so I'm just gonna open that. And you're gonna have a tablespoon and just sprinkle that on top and spread it around. And then the recipe I'm using says to use mini pepperonis. I don't have pepperoni here. We're in a quarantine. I can't go shopping whenever I want. So what I do have is a slice of lunch meat. This is ham. So I am just gonna tear up little bitty pieces of this ham, sprinkle it on top. So yeah, not meant to be pretty, but that works. And then you can top it with cheese. This is not opened and my hands are slimy. Let's take some cheese and sprinkle that on top. And I like cheese, so I'm piling on the cheese. And then the recipe also says you can sprinkle some herbs on there, basil, oregano. Again, it's totally up to you. So just because I use plain tomato sauce, I'm gonna sprinkle some herbs on there to make it good. Now, all we have to do is microwave this for 1 minute. So let's do that. And now our pizza is done. That is what, here we go. Microwavable mug pizza.